Hey, what's up guys, Apple Insights here, and welcome to the first video on this channel. I want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who decided to subscribe to this channel prior to the first video being uploaded. I really appreciate that. And also those who are going to be watching this video in the future and decided to subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. I want to take this opportunity to also talk about why I decided to make this channel and basically what you guys should expect from this channel. What am I going to be making on this channel in terms of content? So I want to start off with some background and basically tell you guys why I decided to create Apple Insights. And the answer is really simple. It's really because, you know, throughout my entire life, I've always been a huge techie, love technology. I've always been learning technology and trying to better myself and better my skills in tech. And I also had a very interesting passion for Apple. I always loved Apple products, and I'm fascinated by the history of Apple and their evolution so far. So I decided to create Apple Insights because I wanted to create a platform where I can share my feelings and my thoughts about the new updates and the new things that are coming out for Apple, while also helping people out. I do want to help other people, you know, make better decisions with their purchases, and also to show you guys how to get the best out of your products. So I think you guys should really find some value, if not entertainment or informational. I hope you guys find some form of value through this channel. So in terms of what you should expect from this channel, well, it's gonna be a variety. It's gonna be a huge, wide variety, but it's all gonna be under the world of Apple in some form concerning Apple or related to Apple or in comparison to Apple. So for example, I might do a video on a Samsung device versus an Apple device. Like for example, the Galaxy Note 8 versus the iPhone 10. These are two best-selling devices and they have a lot different benefits versus each other, and that's one thing that I could do. And another thing, you know, Apple is always doing something new. They're always working on the future or the next product, right? So there's always going to be something to talk about, and so that's another thing you can expect is updates about the next release or the newest release. Like I know we have the iOS 12 coming, we have the new Apple iPhones, the new line of iPhones coming up this year. So the good thing is there's always something to talk about, there's always something to cover, there's always a lot going on, and so I really hope you guys find some value in this channel, and if you do, please show me some support and I would really appreciate it. This video is basically introductory, so this may serve as my channel trailer for momentarily, and then I may decide to create a different channel trailer in the future. And so I really hope you guys decide to go on this journey with me. I'm gonna love making these videos, and I hope you guys are gonna love to watch them, and that's really about it. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy taking an inside scoop in the world of Apple. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video.